Over recent years, the requirement for more effective drilling and cutting tools has been driven by the introduction of increasingly hard decorative wall and floor tiles into the marketplace. With these challenging ultra-hard materials in mind, MEXCO have produced some of the most effective drilling and cutting tools available. Let's take a look at the MEXCO Tile Drill range. A range of tile drill bits that have been specifically designed to cope efficiently with the demands of hard materials, saving you both time and money. The range consists of wax-filled tile drill bits, with a hex fitment that's suitable for drills. These are self-cooling bits that are designed to be used on high-speed drills. They come in a range of diameters from 5.5 to 12 mm. We then have wax-filled tile drill bits, with an M14 universal fitment suitable for angle grinders. These are available in a range of diameters from 6 to 14 mm. Although these are designed to be used on angle grinders, they can be used on a high-speed drill when coupled with the MEXCO M14 to hex adapter. And slotted barrel tile drill bits, which come in a range of diameters from 18 to 110 mm. These are also designed to be used on angle grinders with the M14 universal fitment and can be used on a high-speed drill with the MEXCO M14 to hex adapter. In this video we are going to concentrate on the popular wax-filled, hex-fit range. Due to the quality of the components used and the uncompromised manufacturing process, these drill bits offer the user a fast, accurate and cost-effective solution to an ever-increasing problem, without the need to purchase dedicated ceramic, porcelain and granite drilling machines. No more cracked or broken tiles, these bits offer fast, precise drilling in ceramics, marble, terracotta, granite and porcelain. They are perfect for bathroom installers, kitchen fitters, plumbers, electricians, tilers and general builders. So, let's see it in action. For this exercise, I will be using an 8 mm wax-filled, hex-fit diamond tile drill bit on a corded high-speed drill. Before we start, it is worth noting that these tile drill bits like to be drilled fast, the faster the better, so for the best results we recommend using them on a high-speed drill, 1800 RPM and above. Predominantly this will be a corded machine, not a cordless. Also make sure any hammer or percussion action is turned off. Before you embark on any project, make sure you wear suitable PPE. During use these drill bits become hot, so handle with care. Wax-filled diamond tile drill bits are now an indispensable part of any toolkit. High-quality diamonds are vacuum brazed to the tip, meaning they are strong enough to handle the toughest of applications. The bits have a wax-filled barrel that melts during use, cooling and lubricating the drill tip so there is no need to apply water. To start drilling, place the drill at a 30-degree angle. Drill until the tile drill bit starts to penetrate the material. Once the hole has started to form, bring the drill up into the upright position and continue. These drill bits mill. They do not drill, so excessive pressure is not necessary. As the tile drill starts to mill, the heat will cause the wax to melt, lubricating the cutting surface. Periodically remove the bit from the cut to allow for cooling. For horizontal drilling, minimal pressure is required. For vertical drilling, the weight of the machine will usually give sufficient pressure. Here's a top tip. Applying excessive pressure will not make the bit work faster. These drill bits mill. They do not drill, so excessive pressure is not necessary. MEXCO have a full range of diameters available to combat the most common fitting jobs. MEXCO wax-filled tile drill bits will help you work faster, more efficiently and within budget. Used properly, each bit can drill up to 50 holes in hard porcelain and drill many more in almost any other type of tile, including marble, granite, slate, ceramic, quarry, terracotta, and limestone tiles. When choosing your next diamond tile drill, make sure it's a MEXCO drill bit. Demand the best.